Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Bafana 2, Angola 1. Good result. First game of the tournament, 3 points in the bag. I think we've qualified for the last 16. 3 points is just needed to qualify for the last 16. Because if we see Puma number 3, I think we still stand a good chance of qualifying. Now, going to the game, I don't think it was one of our best games. We like making things very difficult for ourselves. And that's why Hugo Bros the combination Yaga Mukwena no Sithole. In terms of defending, that's a good combination. But in terms of us playing and creating chances and creating space for our number 10, whether Umbulo, whoever who's going to play as a number 10, that combination is not good. I'm not saying Sithole is not good, but I'm just saying Wuti, he doesn't fit us playing. He's very good in terms of doing the dirty job. Bad combination. Now I'm going to show you why we couldn't play. I'm going to show you a strategy. I always say the first 15 minutes of the game, they tell you Wuti, si plena, right? And then how we considered the goal. Free kicks, Now I'm going to show you the clips, right? Okay, I'm going to show you clips of what we are trying to do. I won't even analyze them. I just play them for you. And then when we have Sithole and Mukwena, we always play diagonal passes. It's like we stretch the team. But our passes were not good. Umbogazi na ama-passes wakhe, they were not firm. Ungezana, ama-passes wakhe were not good. So I'm just going to play you those clips just to show you ukuthi our strategy bekuyini. I'm not going to show you all of them, but I'm going to show you most of them. Stretch the defenders. This was actually a good pass. It's not a bad strategy, but I don't think it's a strategy that is good for us. Get the ball played behind the defenders as well. Good movement. Another clip. This was a very good switch by Umbulo. We just couldn't capitalize on stretching the defender, stretching the team. Here it was a 2-1 ekoneni laphaya, but we couldn't capitalize on it. Bayalwina, bayasinikeza futhi, it's a throw in. Just keep watching. Same thing. Then we get it. Then we play it long foot or diagonal pass. Because ngiyazi abanye bazothi it's not a long pass. There Umbogazi trying to stretch it defender. I don't know ukuthi bebajima ngamabhola or what, because they couldn't pass the ball long. They couldn't hit the ball long. Now, final clip of us playing diagonal passes. I won't show all of them. Watch Williams telling Unkota to 10. We played long pass, wide. Okay, sharp. It's still ours. Still our ball. We keep it. Here it comes again. Bah. We just couldn't capitalize on we just couldn't capitalize on stretching the defenders. Yes, we did get a goal. I'll show you how we got the goal, but we just couldn't capitalize. Must be stretching. It's okay. It's stretching. They are wide open. Now let's attack. I always say, Guti, in most goals that are conceded or scored, let me say conceded, there's always a warning before the goal comes. This is similar. It's not the same play of movement, but this is similar to the goal. Ball plays in the middle, it goes back, run, behind. Our policy la could have taken one touch, ashaya ngathi uyashaya, and then besa ayashaya with the second touch. But in this one here, he decides to hit it first time. In most goals, there's always a warning. We switch the ball, bazolahla futhi on the right hand side. Cross, liya bumper, slipping. Goal. Remember what I said in the first incident, right? Gube wathatha one touch, then ashaya goes two. That's what he did in this goal, right? Azange afuna ukulishaya first time, what relax, composure. You can't teach that. It's either you have it or you don't have it. Composure, you can't teach someone to be composed. After we scored the goal, something changed. I think it changed Angola, not with us, because we still tried to play a diagonal pass, but we can't play when we have Usithole and Umukwena playing as a double pivot. We can't play. Wachumbule here, Upi's udlalana no referee ngapha nangapha. I think we have main marquee. Now the ball is gonna go to the right hand side. Ilogo liyaga right instead of putting it right. What do? We decide to play a long pass. We win it again. We start the ball back. The double pivot, we can't play with Usithole, and it's because as much as Umukwena can be moved around, can play double six, can play as an 8, can play as a 10. That's what they did second half. Must defend. They played him as a 10. As much as they can do that, he's not really good in those positions. He's very good when you play him as a 6. If Beliga right, we are not switching the ball with Liga left. You see this double pivot. Then here, look at Tusipho Mbule. He's playing hide and seek. Men Makile. Let's play the ball. Let's play the ball at the back. What does Ngezana do? He decides to play it long. We lose the ball. Second clip of us not playing the ball from the back. I'm not blaming anyone, but it's just small details. Watch this. The keeper is calling for the ball. Guti, Nigeze, play me the ball so that we can keep the ball. But Ungezana Wanzani, we give it away. Playing the ball, guys, from the back. It's that one pass so that we can play. But if you don't decide to play that pass, okay, let me play to the keeper. We have a very good squad, a very good team, but I don't think we're gonna win the AFCON, right? The reason why I always say Sundowns, Pirates, Bafana won't win continental football is because of crosses. Now, watch the crosses. Crosses, free kicks is a problem for us to defend. Bad header, second ball, we don't win it. Third ball, we don't win it. When it's free kicks, corner kicks, if you don't win the first ball, you have to win the second ball. But if you win the first ball, you must also win the second ball. It's very important. When it comes to corner kicks and free kicks, oh Jehovah, no. Cross. The problem that we have most of the time is people don't want to defend. They don't want to hit the ball. They want to be busy pushing, fighting. No, go for the ball. Go for the ball. Winner Ibola. Let me take it back. Winner Ibola. The person that hits the ball is number 10. Number 10 nangu number 10, right? Nangu number 10, uma kubani umudawo, right? Cross liyeza, go and win the ball. Stop fighting nomuntu. Stop fighting nomuntu ukuthi angahate ibhola. No, go and win the ball. Challenge ibhola. Go and win the ball. Simple. When a goal is scored from a free kick or a corner kick, I always ask myself, ukuthi, was it avoidable? Was the free kick or the set piece, was it avoidable? Ne? When I looked at this, Ike Maidlala, I thought it was avoidable. Ne? But must analyze. Have a look, right? Have a look. Ipoleletu. Ne? Ipoleletu. Watch this guy. Ne? Okay. Look at the space between Umbogazi Nongezana. Williams decides to play long. Long. Throw in by a pusher. Umukwena comes in here, but look at Ungezana. Ungezana now is caught in two minds. There's that guy he is here, he's here. He's caught in two minds, man. Guti. Near move and near Pambi. It's 2 against 1. What ends up happening? They play the ball here, Sega late. He makes a foul. So initially Maidlala, I thought Guti, he was sleeping uyela phaya seka late, but masengibheka ngiyabona ukuthi he was caught in two minds. Akazi ukuthi ngiyela, now it's too late, it's a free kick. Now can we defend that free kick? Eh? He had no choice, Ungezana, but to foul the man here. You can't blame him there. Bengifuna ukumblame, but you can't. Now here comes the free kick. Here comes Thingibuyisele move. Are we picking la? Kwenzakalani la? La kwenzakalani? Eh? Good. Angazi ukuthi who are you going to blame? You will decide. Mara nje. This we can't, Buffett, we can't defend free kicks, set pieces, whatever you wanna call it. Look at this picture. This is the only guy that's defending. Ne? Abongezana vele ilama defend. Awekho good ukudlala ibhola. They want to defend, bathanda ukudefend. In this picture, he's the only one who is picking up here. The rest, they are not picking up. You can even try and blame a goalkeeper, but you will decide. Ukuthi iblame yakubani. Second half, guys. Second half, Hugo Broos brought in Umuremi. Right? Umuremi for me, he's very key. He's our dangerous weapon. He needs to start each and every game. Right? He's got pace, he's got skill. For me now, he needs to start. You guys will decide. Now, what I said in beginning, Guti, we like to make things difficult for ourselves, ne? By not playing the ball. When we play the ball, no team can stop us. We are very dangerous when we play the ball. Just gonna show you 2 clips where we kept the ball and we had situations. A1, it was almost a penalty, right? We need to keep the ball more. Another video of us keeping the ball. Keep the ball, guys. When you keep the ball, when you play it, we are dangerous. Stop playing long balls because we don't have tall players up front. Keep the ball. ningalahi. Bazovula. Keep it, ungalahli ngezana. Almost a penalty. When we don't keep the ball, we make these teams look very good. And most of them, they are not on our levels, guys. They are not. So we have to keep the ball. Keep the ball, Bafana. Let it move. Second goal, Bafana. Brilliant finish. Second half was much better. But most goals, I always say, are avoidable. They could have avoided this goal here. This guy had a chance. In a split second, they had the ball, they lose it, we get it, siyakora. It was avoidable, that goal. The guy decided Uguti, he wants to play the ball back, ufuna ukupasa. He could have kicked the ball outside or ayepambi, but he wanted to play where? He wanted to play the ball backwards. It's easy to concede at this level. You have to make the right decisions. It's easy to concede. Make the right decisions all the time. Now make the right decision, Bafethu. Make the right decision. Please subscribe, please like, and please share. Thank you for watching.